We're not supposed to be here, and your body knows it. Think about it. Right now, as you're watching this, your skin is actively trying not to burn under the light of our own star. What kind of planet damages its own dominant species? Just by existing? Unless we're not from here at all. I know what you're thinking. Aliens? Come on. But hear me out, because the evidence hiding in your own biology is absolutely wild. And by the end of this video, you're gonna look at your hands differently. Maybe even wonder who or what you really are. So let's start with something simple. Something you do every single day without thinking about it. You hate the sun. Well, okay. Maybe not hate, but your body is terrible at dealing with direct sunlight. We get sunburned in like 15 minutes. We need sunglasses or we literally can't see properly. We get skin cancer, we overheat, we dehydrate. Compare that to literally any other animal on this planet. Lizards, chilling in 100-degree heat all day. Birds, flying directly toward the sun. Dogs, rolling around at noon like it's nothing. But humans, we invented hats. We invented shade. We invented SPF 50 because our own star is actively hostile to us. So here's the weird question. What if we evolved somewhere with a weaker sun? Or maybe no sun at all? Yeah, think about that for a second, but it gets stranger, way stranger. Let's talk about your back. You know, that thing that hurts all the time for literally no reason? Humans are the only species on Earth with chronic back pain as a feature. We stand upright, sure, but our spines are basically an evolutionary nightmare. It's like someone took a horizontal design and just tilted it vertical without updating the engineering. Scientists call this poorly adapted. I call it evidence. Because if we evolved here over millions of years, why would natural selection give us a body that breaks down by age 30? Unless we didn't evolve here, unless we were designed for different gravity, lower gravity, where standing upright didn't compress your spine like a trash compactor. And speaking of gravity, let's talk about the most dangerous thing a human can do. Have a baby. Childbirth for humans is insanely risky. Even with modern medicine, it's traumatic, painful, and genuinely dangerous. Women's hips are barely wide enough to fit a baby's head. The infant mortality rate throughout history was catastrophic. But you know what? Almost every other mammal on Earth, they just pop them out. No screaming, no hospitals, no epidurals. A deer gives birth and the baby is literally walking within an hour. Humans? Our babies are helpless for years. They can't walk, can't feed themselves, can't regulate their own temperature. They're basically premature compared to every other species. Why? Because our heads are too big. Our brains grew too fast, almost like they were meant for something else. Some other environment where intelligence was more important than survival instincts. Or maybe we were engineered that way. But okay, maybe that's all coincidence, right? Evolution is messy, except there's this little problem called vitamin D. You need sunlight to make vitamin D. It's essential. But remember how I said we can't handle sunlight? Yeah, so we need the thing that hurts us to survive. That's like needing to drink poison to stay hydrated. No other animal has this problem. They either make vitamin D efficiently with minimal sun exposure or they get it from their diet. But humans? We're caught in this weird middle zone where we need tons of sun exposure but can't actually handle it. It's almost like we're not calibrated for this planet's sun at all. And then there's the 223 extra genes. In 2001, the Human Genome Project found something bizarre. Humans have 223 genes that don't appear in any other species on the evolutionary tree. They're not mutations, they're not gradual developments, they just appear, fully formed. Some scientists think they came from ancient bacteria through horizontal gene transfer, which is a fancy way of saying we have no idea. So here's our best guess. But what if it's simpler than that? What if those genes were already there because we came from somewhere else? Oh, and let's talk about your mouth for a second. Open up, say, ah. Your wisdom teeth don't fit, like at all. They grow in sideways, cause infections, and we literally have to surgically remove them. Millions of people every year. Why would evolution give us teeth that don't fit in our own mouths unless our jaws used to be bigger, unless we used to eat different food, unless we came from somewhere where we needed those extra teeth, and now our bodies are just running on outdated software in the wrong operating system? And you know what's really creepy? We're fragile, laughably fragile. A bee sting can kill you. Eating the wrong mushroom can kill you. Falling down can kill you. Sleeping wrong can throw out your back for a week. We're basically made of tissue paper compared to everything else on this planet. A bear can fall off a cliff and walk away. A cat can survive falls from skyscrapers. Cockroaches can live without their heads. But humans? We sprain our ankles stepping off a curb wrong. It's like we're not supposed to be in this harsh, wild environment. Like we're meant for something more controlled, more protected, more artificial. So here's the thing. Here's where it gets really weird. We don't remember where we came from. Not really. Every ancient culture has stories about sky people or star beings who came down and taught humans how to build, how to farm, how to survive. We have amnesia, cultural amnesia, and maybe that's on purpose. Maybe someone or something didn't want us to remember. Because think about it, if you were going to plant a species on a planet to see if they could adapt, wouldn't you wipe their memory first, give them a clean slate, and wouldn't you pick a species that was just smart enough to survive, but not smart enough to figure out what happened? So, what if we are aliens? What if Earth is the experiment and we're the test subjects? What if we were seated here thousands of years ago, dropped off with just enough knowledge to survive, but not enough to leave? What if that weird feeling you get sometimes, that sense that you don't quite belong, that nothing feels quite right, that there's something more out there? What if that's not anxiety or existential dread? What if it's memory? What if you're homesick for a home you've never consciously known? So yeah, what if we are aliens? And if we are, do you think they're coming back for us? Or did they leave us here on purpose?